Hey marykay consultants and directors. Want to save time, sell smarter, and stand out online? These 5 AI tools will rock your marykay business in 2025. First up, Canva Magic Studio. This gem uses AI to help you create stunning social media posts, flyers, and promos in no time. Need a quick story set for a product launch or team announcement? Done in under 5 minutes. Next, let's talk about ChatGPT or Gemini. Struggling with captions, emails, or scripts? Let AI handle it. Ask it to write Instagram captions, welcome DMs, or even custom skincare consultation scripts. Example: write a short, confident message to follow up with a client who hasn't responded. Easy peasy. Moving on, Notion AI or ClickUp AI. These tools are perfect for planning and goal tracking. Set your monthly sales goals, create a daily content checklist, and track your team's progress. Keep everything organized and on point. Now for all your video needs: Descript or CapCut AI editing. Trim your videos, add auto captions, and repurpose one video into multiple formats. Pro tip: use trending audio plus auto captions for better reach. Your skincare tutorials will never look better. Finally, Opus Clip or InVideo AI. Turn your Zoom trainings, FB Lives, or YouTube videos into 15-second reels. The AI picks the best hook, adds captions, and resizes it all for you. A game changer for sure. Remember, you don't need to master them all. Start with one. And most of these tools offer free trials or budget-friendly options. So which of these AI tools are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a strategy update. Catch you in the next video.